was Caitlin Ohashi for UCLA. She has changed one of her passes this week. She said, last week I wasn't feeling well. I've been a little depleted after Christmas, and so she has changed her last pass. It'll be a little bit different. Front handspring, front full, front and a half, split to the ground. She said she just wasn't doing the double as well as she could.
Actually, she went back to the double layout. Look at there. Good for her. A huge double layout. She learned that here in college. How wonderful.
Hey, the score for the Sooners came in on beat. Anastasia Webb scores a perfect 10. Our 4th perfect 10 tonight here at Pauley Pavilion. Are you kidding me?
I think Val told me, think of her as the Jackson 6, the 6th member of the Jackson 5. She loves to get out there and dance.
Hence the music. Oh, nice.
Look at that. Double front lamp. I love that finish. Good for her. What a performance.
They are on their feet in Pauley Pavilion. We've already seen 4 10s, and that just doesn't seem like enough for this crowd. What an event.
Oh.
It's in. Ohashi gets her 10. Wow. The 5th 10 of the day in this blockbuster matchup. Look at that. People going crazy, and standing over at the beam for the Oklahoma Sooners is Maggie Nichols.